Hidden away for decades, this is where our journey begins. A classic sedan, completely reclaimed by the forest. The thick blanket of moss and the intricate patterns of rust tell a story of time standing still for this old sedan.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised by the rust.
We'll need to fabricate new panels for the subframe.
This corrosion runs deep. The paint gauge is showing some serious inconsistencies around the wheel arch.
Look at that finish.
Absolutely stunning work.
With the V8 finally seated and the wheels secured, the detailing process begins. Soon, the restored classic touches the ground once more.
It took months of work, countless hours, but seeing the final result makes every second worth it.